Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to teach you how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery in an easy and quick way. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, open the Pinterest app and find the video you want to download. Tap the share button or the Bluetooth icon below the video and you will see the download option. Tap on it. If you can download, you are lucky. The video will save straight to your gallery. But if there is no download option, no worries. Just tap copy link. Let me give you some example. Let's try this one. Just copy the link of this video and now open Google or your browser like Chrome and search Pinterest video downloader and find some video downloader. Tap one of the sites, paste the copy link and download it. If you're lucky, you can download directly. If not, you can copy the link and use a downloader. Thanks for watching and take care.